two, three, tap. You're going to incline forwards with resistance. Slide away, basic. The other way, the other leg, slide away, 5, 6, 7. Open the door. 3, tap, slide away, basic. Okay? Now the walking one, we got 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, cross, 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 cross. Slide away, basic double. Away, come back, step around the shoulder. Here you go with her on her 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, tap, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Don't be a creep, don't do this in social. No gas. Go with her. Open the door. Incline away. 5, 6, 7. Finish. 1, 2, 3. Press down. Slide away. Get the arms. Lock them. 5, 6, 7. Tap. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Basic. 5. And 1, 2, 3. Tap. 5, 6, 7. Remember the 6 is your weight and weight. Come. Thank you very much.